I bought all of our kitchen appliances on Craigslist and eBay and Scratch and Dent, which is great because I saved a bunch of money. And I'm also trying to save a few pennies by doing the pickup myself because they're close enough. They're in Los Angeles, which is like a few hours away. So we're gonna make the drive. And Ross's company has a big box truck that we're gonna use, which is gonna make it really easy to transport. And it's a hybrid, so it gets just a little bit better mileage per gallon than any other delivery truck that we would get. So it's gonna be an adventure. There she is. We made it to the first stop, which is actually an errand for Ross's work. We are dropping off gear here, and then we're gonna go to another place and pick up gear, and then we're gonna go to another place to get the dishwasher and another place to get the range. So it's super efficient to do it all in one trip, but it's 4 stops in LA traffic plus the commute home. It's a long day, and it's only 9 o'clock now. Should we get a pizza oven while we're here?
Yeah.
I think we might have needed a bigger truck for it.
I think so.
We're at stop number 3, and I'm letting Ross just do this one, and I'm just going for a walk because he's picking up gear this time and he doesn't need my strength. How many times are you gonna do this? There you go. I'm gonna leave that part in the video.
She's heavy.
She should be. Good night, range. So this is the range, and this is the dishwasher, and we have them on dollies that we can easily move them around if we need to, and then packing blankets to keep them safe, and then tarps because this this garage is leaky. So they'll sit here until I finally do this kitchen.